Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Coinbase account. First, navigate to the Coinbase website or download their mobile application. Look for the Get Started button and click it. You will then be prompted to enter your full name and email address. After submitting, check your inbox for a verification email and click the link to confirm your address. This is the essential first step to begin your crypto journey. Next, you'll need to verify your identity, which is crucial for security and compliance. You will be asked to upload a photo of a valid government-issued identification document, such as a driver's license or passport. Ensure the images are clear and legible. Some users may also complete a quick facial verification. This process helps protect your account and ensures a secure trading environment for everyone. Once your identity is verified, the next step is to link a payment method. Coinbase offers several options, including linking a bank account or a debit card. Carefully enter your banking details or card information into the secure portal. For bank accounts, you might need to verify with a small deposit or by logging into your bank. This step is vital for funding your account and making your first cryptocurrency purchases. With your account set up and a payment method linked, you are ready to make your first cryptocurrency purchase. Go to the Buy/Sell section on the Coinbase platform. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to acquire, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, and enter the amount you wish to spend. Carefully review all the order details, including the price and fees, before confirming your transaction. Congratulations, you've made your first crypto purchase.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.